Dipu Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium Hall along Kiching Siang Ding HSDC Conference Kipadupo. Votalang so hamre na tuwar ka salamat tumapan nitum ponlong lipusi KPLT atumpen lamthi pachini. Diopani MSC constituency ang kang balijan pen apar Diopani adak tuwar ka salampon Japan long ekesong. Karbi Prime News long peneli thare chisong teron number tang ton pen RJ tham. Dipu Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium Hall along matijong ni pai Cap Arni pen Crazy Arni at Ninia Baha Kiching Siang Ding HSDC Conference padu ponbom no pusi kad news apparent kepen birta nang pale. Mayalong HSDC Convener Minister Barim Holiram Terang, CEM Barim Johnson B, MLA Barim Atum, Chomangkro Dharam Singh Teron, Hem Singh Tiso HSDC, Kongchunbang Daniel Teron Atum Pen Chinglok, Ongdung HSDC Klemang Pubang Piatum Chetong Dun. Mayalong Aluhisar Pohaman Pen, Dimahasau Pen, Abarim Assam Director of Health Service, Dr. Drubo Hojai, Pabangjang Aluhiaman Pen, Dr. Clement Singh Nar, Kachopapon aluhi Dipu Court Pen, Advocate Abitung Atum, Jameson Munda, Robinson Hanse, Bharoding Ti, Lapen KSA Kongchunbang, Mondol Ing Hiatum, Chetong Dunsi, Mai Misen Lapen Ing Samjin Pen, Pachun Pondo.
Abang, Election Commission, along register dah mahu tundang hangi, membership tu cuma naik, membership tu mana sedang membership yang di mana cuma nang yang jita ke, masih langsung apa sini lu tu, nona dia bang ke. Pini la pen pena tarik cap la pen tarik resi Desember kan itu Hill State Demand Council la conference makke da Joy Singh Doloi Terang Memorial Hall along nelitum delegates bang harupre for delegates itu khal la ke la district ini peno Karbi ang la pen Hill State lalo
Kedamtang matijong ni Patriotism ni votalang so hamren NEC atwar Langching baralong dolong kasalamat tumapan komat luni patujoy pusi alam klang lasibang so lama saya long KPLT penki thangnat kacharabdun awi pusi KPLT pachithang chunbang ASR Kronjang lamrihing penajok kat news apan birta pachini lasi Karbi no arat doanta nilitum amen pen komat ni sailang no claim pusi tami manghudu nang niputa pachini tu Birta pachethangalu wache pen nang kapachini atengke badule bangso amistria phan pon pusetami prabjin pen nangkelojia phan KPLT pen pachini pon jongsi prabjin pen nanglo le puluti songahin penta kiri duna sai padu nangkok popota piklang pon lahai sai ke padu laki nilitum sarkar pen kachingki bomahut nangke khamki dunno pota pachini tu Amparta bangpo KPLT klembang atum ke non songpen katang lupota birta pachithang alolong paklang pon laki Rajib Ingti Jakve Teron Akai Teron Rongbin Rong Hanglapen Longku Teron atum henlo lasi lahai atumapan nahok le theklong pusitami radatum pen Nep ing nang tami puta KPLT pen pachini tu hamren kat news appearance Hondor Singh Kropen abirta Diopani MSC constituency ang kang balijan pen upper Diopani adak non headjong. Tuwar pi kasalampon Japan long ikisompo na birta kat news channel apparent kepen birta nang pali. Karbi long Tenmes Council CM tuliram rong hangarideng pen long ikisompo na long alang li MSC Mukut Mohonto la pen Diopani VDC Chairman Sonjit Lekhe tum chirap chetudun. Labang so mailong alihi Karbi long Tenmes Council Chairman Horen Singh B EM atum Jagat Singh Inti Amar Singh Tiso MD Pukon MEC atum Mongol Singh Timu Longki Timung Ram Singh Timu lapen pinangan kithi kiding atum Chitong Dunsi long ikisompo na mailong RDP dun. Balijan pen apar Diopani adak kacheleng atuwar ke patipon Japan tangka sika kuti pho lapen borner Japan mojadar arong tuwar kaselampon Japan tangka sika kuti krehini an panong panlupusi CM ronghang klardak pen than pachini pon mai alo
Jelitum dak BJP sarkar bang det pen dak tuwar mesen nangi kedam ke bang ahwar mesen nangi pusin litum len budget pen dak la sotwar ke mesen dinon pokara salong ikpona tum pokara salong podak laga sini kali lake kuti pho tangana tum dak ke nang pigang lo 10 km nanda kali lang don mali tum hula potwar hula bang ke 12 kuti tangka MOS ape kes pen nang tum long tan lo don mali tum nang tum ko pilot Tratame pokara salo laso lahini scheme dame non la ningkani siang bong kapetang ye phani tum bori pon po la penang la tum na cerap cetu tu nang ji
Normalam sopor pandhi na parman beer tamington ponik sene.
The bell is ringing. Everyone is singing. Christmas is coming. Sengkan dambom tanglo. Sengkana kimita wang bom tanglo. Puthot Christmas nang le thulipo. Lasi seng chiporong lunang o jirpi pen jirpo. Dilihin pen sengkang samakardong pajiriklo. Lapusona por ke mehut isi birta ke medo. Birta ke me ke lapuson henlo. New gospel production na hinpen ke son sepon. Jisu neo epu audio album. Matijong ni Patriotism arni. United Christian Forum hinpen Catalan ponji pre-Christmas along si impu poniki.
Ranam supo Jisu, ranam Karbi along, mahang teksi nandu, jainong aroyalong.
Labang solong, ninging sam jin lapen, nong nam kach thang klong, mirmili rong pipi, probi khatok pi lapen akapre kalun sepo lapen alun sep piatun kilun alun jil arj pon long igi. Labang so dis nang litum kinam jin ning hang pulote, dipu LOPC along si long pon igji, lasi humri da mikha lapen nam ik vekha. For more details, please contact on this number. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Difu Trade Fair at Difu Club starts from 22nd of November to 10th of December 2017. Luxurious handloom handicrafts products are available such as door curtains and cushions, valuable quality of traditional Assamese dresses, shawls and saris, shocks for men and women, etc. Offers on all gas stove and Samruddhi unbreakable plastics. Art and craft sofa come back. Cosmetics and Ayurvedic medicines are also available. Credit and debit cards are accepted without any extra charges. Admission is open for the session of 2017 and 2018 at Asian Kids Difu Rongkhalang. Forms are available. Parents and guardians are requesting to collect it from the Office of Asian Kids. All kinds of facilities like smart class, computer periods, playground, learning accessories with celebrations of various festivals to aware children, transfer provision, merit scholarship, annual sports, etc. So hurry up. Seats limitations 20 each. Date of admission for new students on 15th of December 2017. Last date of form submission is 14th of December 2017. For more details, contact at 8638727195 or 9085848042.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুটি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
Kanj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along long pon ikji kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam thu tharmit aduk Kheliwa Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok, Ongdung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Longpon Ikji.
Dihenmo Pipothot Bertalong Wangtulum. Dipu Nehru Yuwa Kendro Conference Hall along Nehru Yuwa Kendro Tumpen Patir Pipon C. Matijong ni Pai Cap Arni Ada Porpai Gracia Porpen District Level Declamation Contest on Patriotism and Nation Building Puaputha Kachipati Padopon Pusi Kat News along Berta Nangle. District Level Declamation Contest on Patriotism and National Building Kachipati Matijong ni Pai Keparni Ada Porpai Gracia Porpen Kachipati Kapadopon along Karbi Long Angkang Pen Block 10 Penta Kachipati Dun.
Of course, these two terms can easily be separated, but still they have closely associated with others. But before going through my viewpoints, let me have the meaning what patriotism and a nation building means. Patriotism simply means the love and the every citizen of a nation into a single identity, that is the nation building. But before going through the overall perspective of these two terms, let me have the citations of the Indian history that has come along, how the process has come across, and how the topic, the nation building and patriotism, had got relevant to the modern days.
Area of the future India. So what the future India will be. So we the youths have the utmost responsibility and utmost duty to perform. So what are the different duties we have to perform? So
Bang plikep rapho kachipati dun ang bong pen rongkang block pen amor ingleng kecheng sianong e adun tuanong e socheng block pen Anjali Saho lapen ingdeng ke thomanong e samilang so block pen Samson ingleng atumsi chepalong ponlo. Matijong ni Pai Cap Arni kang sampor Pai Po Porpen Asuatum Chipatir Pipon Pen Bogojan Lapen Hanjang Lang Solong Asam Andulon Ahut Karlitang Bopeswar Talukdar Pen Chenglok Bang Paruner Kebra Bang Po Kebra Po Abang Pu Bang Pietum Apran Kedamatum Apan Kaya Nokbe Pamansi Chikimo Ponlo Kachikimo Pona Sailong Sarihajan High School Principal Purnima Gogoi Sinihi Gogoi Biswajit Bora Prasad Rajbongsi, Riju Borwa, Himanto Kakoti, Sobin Medhi, Polas, Boragohai Borwa, Atum Chitong Dun si RD Pidun. Lapan Halapu Bogojan Alongki, Tredip, Bora, Vedanta Saiki Atum Chitong Dun si Kachikimolok, Milur, Mirhehui Pajir Ponsi, Misen Pen Pachun Ponlo. God News sa perang kianon terang Bogojan Pen Abirta. Pini Karbi Prime Time News sa Bangkelapan si Kang Ton Poniklo, lai bom Kat News Channel, Dumit Hakme, Kurang 2.